Hey guys, did you know about the story of Mount Makulot? Mount Makulot, also called Mount Makulot, is a mountain located in the town of Cuenca in Batangas province in the Philippines. This mountain is popular among mountain climbers and campers. It is the major tourist attraction of the municipality. Mount Makulot is one of the most popular day trip destinations. It is so popular that on weekends and summer months, there is a sari-sari store that or 7-Eleven at the campsite. This mountain at the heart of Batangas is known as a landmark for locals and travelers alike. It is easily identifiable because of its abruptly terminating east side, forming a cliff. This is challenging for rock climbers and breathtaking to everybody else. Others describe the shape of the mountain as eagle-eye. The mountain is three destinations: the famous Rockies, the summit, and the grotto. This can all be covered by a traverse day hike. But most climbers head to the Rockies, which is the reason why Makulot is the paragon of an easy hike. Only 5% of hikers pursue the traverse, but we hope more people will explore this forest side of the mountain. Hey guys, did you know about the story in Tagaytay? The city of Tagaytay is a component city in the province of Cavite in the Philippines. It is one of the country's most popular tourist destinations because of the outstanding scenery and cooler climate provided by its high altitude. Tagaytay overlooks Taal Lake, Batangas, and provides one of the iconic view of the Philippines. The view of Taal Volcano Island in the middle of the lake, viewable from several vantage points in the city. Tagaytay is relatively close to the capital city of Manila, only 55 kilometers away via Aguinaldo Highway, providing an easy escape for the locals from the heat of the big city. During the Philippine Revolution of 1896, the ridge and forest of Tagaytay became the sanctuary for revolutionaries, including those from the nearby provinces. The passage to and from town via Tagaytay added the word Mananagaytay to the natives' vocabulary. It means to traverse ridge. Hey guys, did you know about the founder of Kamay Jesus? Father Jose Falor, founder of the Kamay Jesus Healing Church, visualized the church to give the sick and the spiritual weak a heaven where they could feel and experience the presence of God. At the church backdrop is still hill transformed into a pictures Dolores Grotto of Healing and Purification, all of 310 steps, including the life-size statue of the 14th Station of the Cross, in leading to a 50-foot statue and the Ascending Christ, the biggest in the world that can be seen miles away. In honor of the Virgin Mary, the Lukluhan ni Maria features life-size statue, and since depicting the mystery of the Holy Rosary, life-size statue of saints are also scattered in the church compound. Scenes from the Holy Bible are also brought life from Adam and Eve at the Garden of Eden, and the Noah's Ark complete with the life-size animals. Hey guys, did you know about the story of Mayay Falls? Indigenous residents used to call it Malay Barangay. The Spanish colonial government made it town in 1578. During this period, Malay Barangay was one of the most populated settlements in the new founded province. It's compete with Bay and Pagsanhan during the selection of the province's capital. The popularity of this new town grew instantly during the Spanish period. Its location at the foot of the mountain gave it an abundant supply of fresh mountain spring water. 4 rivers flowed through the town. There were Initian, Obi, and Yula for the towering mountain, and Balanak from the falls of Botocan where all the 3 rivers meet. As to how Malay Barangay got its name Mahayhay, residents assumed that the Spaniards found it difficult to pronounce Mahayhay Barangay. Early colonizer may have shortened it to Mahayhay. Until it became Mahayhay, legends however say it was difficult journey to Mahayhay which gave the town its name. Tired travelers sighed, "Hi," after scaling the cliff, "Hi," after ascending a hill, and "Hi," after crossing a raging river. Thus guests referred to place the Mahayhay, meaning many sights. Spaniards spelled it Mahayhay.